Kokedama, which translates in Japanese to moss ball, is a way of arranging beautiful compositions made with ferns, flowering plants, bamboo, or even succulents. The root ball of the plant is encased in a ball of soil, which is unwrapped in moss and suspended in the air or sometimes displayed in a dish. Kokedama originated from a centuries-old style of bonsai called naharai, by which root-bound plants would be removed from their containers, a reflection of the wabi-sabi tradition. These spherical floating creations have gained in popularity in recent years for their unique, space-saving, and downright whimsical appeal. Your Kokedama's light requirements will vary depending on the plant, but water is fairly universal. Completely submerge the moss base in a bucket of water, plant side up, for 10 minutes. Remove and gently squeeze out any excess water. Misting is fine for foliage, but a full submersion is best to really make sure your Kokedama is healthy. As a general rule, 1 time per week is a good place to start.